1 Corinthians chapter 3 verses 10 through 11 says, "According to the grace of God given to me, like a skilled master builder, I laid a foundation and someone else is building upon it. Let each one take care how he builds upon it. For no one can lay a foundation other than that which is laid, which is Jesus Christ." Paul is saying here is that the foundation for your faith is in Jesus Christ. Now, you may hear that and say, of course, Marcus, I know that. But some people's foundation for their walk with God is not always Jesus. It might be in things such as church. It may be things such as your pastor. And the problem with these things as your foundation is what happens if the church one day, the church burns down, or the church congregation dismantles and dismembers? What happens then? Where's your faith then? What happens if the pastor falls into sin and divorces his wife? Where is your faith then? But Jesus Christ is always the firm foundation because he is stable. He will never change. He is the same yesterday, today, and forever. He is the only foundation that will ever last.